Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal video edit on CapCut PC. Grab your video and copy and paste that video. Then you are going to go to cutout and select auto cutout on the second video. Select text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to bring it down here. Then I'm just going to type in the word that I want to reveal, I guess, and I'm going to add it to the video like so. You can change the font or whatever. Then you are just going to maybe right about here, go to basic, go to blend mode, and right about in the middle you're going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and then in the middle you're going to turn down the opacity to 0. And you'll have this kind of like she's revealing the text a little bit, but make sure it's a little bit closer to each other, like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!